Good evening, class 6. So you know that yesterday we have completed ratio topic and today is a turn of proportion. Hope so all have completed ratio questions, all the parts of ratio question. And now the important topic of this chapter, second topic, that is proportion. I am going to start. So what is proportion? When four quantities are given and suppose you can take this is first question कि these four numbers are given or four quantities are given. This first is known as first term, second term, third term and fourth term. If product of mean, these second and third they are said to be mean and this first and fourth they are said to be extreme. अगर mid of the terms का product, that means the product of mean we are getting is equal to the product of extreme, means 9 और 24 को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें, 12 और 18 को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें, and if we are getting same then we can say numbers are in proportion. Okay, so see how. So as yesterday I told you कि what is proportion. First of all, the symbol of proportion I told you, 4 dots are there of proportion. Statement of equality of ratios, right? यानी अगर हमारे पास 1 रेशो लेफ्ट हैंड पे है, सेकेंड रेशो राइट हैंड पे है, तो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इक्वलिटी ऑफ रेशो इज सेड टू बी proportion. And in proportion first term ratio second term, proportion third term ratio fourth term. Okay, second and third term they are said to be mean, first and fourth term they are said to be extreme. Okay, if product of mean is equal to product of extreme then four numbers are in proportion. So this is just the basic thing कि proportion हमने किसको कहना है कि इफ़ एनी फोर नंबर्स आर गिवन और सेंटर के दो नंबर को हमने नेम दिया मीन और फर्स्ट और फोर्थ टर्म को हमने नेम दिया एक्सट्रीम, एंड इफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन वी आर गेटिंग इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम then four numbers are said to be in proportion. Okay, so first question he is asking are the following numbers in proportion. अब आपको बताना है कि क्या ये फोर नंबर proportion में हैं. तो 9, 12, 18, 24 we have written first term 9, second term 12, proportion third term 18, ratio fourth term 24. Now we are putting the sign ki which terms are said to be mean, 12 and 18, and 9 and 24 they are said to be extreme. So at first we are calculating product of means is equal to 12 multiply 18 is equal to 216, and similarly product of extreme is equal to also 216. It means कि if we are getting product of mean is equal to product of extreme then we can say that 9, 12, 18, 24 are in proportion. Okay, see the next part, B part is there, 3, 4, 8, 16 is there, right? So 4 and 8 they are said to be mean term and 3 and 16 they are said to be extreme term. तो जब हमने mean और extreme का product निकाला, the product of mean we are getting 32 but the product of extreme we are getting 48 because product of mean is not equal to product of extreme, so they are not in proportion. यानी अगर product of mean product of extreme के equal आ जाता है then we can say they are in proportion, and if we are not getting same they are not in proportion. So in the similar manner can you complete the first part? Total 4 more parts are there, so after this video you can try, right? Question number 2 is filling the following boxes so that 4 numbers are in proportion. अब हमें ये बॉक्स दिया हुआ है ब्लैंक, हमें इसमें कोई ऐसी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है such that we are getting these 4 numbers are in proportion. So see, first term is 32, second term is missing, we have written x, proportion, third term is given 6, and then fourth term is given 12. Mean term are x and 6. We have calculated product of mean, that is x multiply 6. The product of extreme is 32 multiplied by 12. एंड बिकॉज वी नो कि वो हैं, देखो उसने कहा ना कि वो प्रपोर्शन में हैं, तो कैन वी राइट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम. Product of mean is x multiply 6 is equal to 32 multiply 12, and then x is equal to, after cutting we are getting 64, right? So once again watch the question. Second question is filling the following boxes so that the 4 number are in proportion. तो यहाँ हमारे पास सेकेंड नंबर मिसिंग है, सी पार्ट में भी सेकेंड नंबर मिसिंग है, तो वी हैव रिटन एक्स. But in B or in D part, in B part fourth number is missing and in D part third number is missing. But the concept is same कि आप जो missing है उसको x मान लेंगे. Here x will act as a extreme term and here x will act as a mean term. Okay, so you can try these two parts also. 3 parts are there. Question number 3. Are the following in continuate proportion? Now what do you mean by this continuate proportion? Whenever we are talking about the continuate proportion, middle number, देखो अगर मैं इसको numbers देती हूँ, so 27 is said to be first, 27 is said to be first number and 36 is second number and then 42 is third number. Okay, so if the numbers are in, we are talking about the continuate, so middle term number repeats 2 times, means 27, 36, 36, 42. In every parts when you will solve this, तो जो middle term है that you have to write 2, because this is the meaning of continuate proportion. So see the solution. Question number 3 is 27, 36, proportion 36 ratio 42. Now the mean terms are 36 and 36. When we are multiplying, we are getting 1296. And when we will calculate the product of extreme, that is 27 and 42, we are getting 1134. Because product of mean is not equal to product of extreme, so they are not in continuate proportion. Okay. Now question number 4. First of all just see the question कि question क्या है आपके पास. Question is filling the boxes so that 3 numbers are in continuate proportion. अब हर टोटल 4 पार्ट्स में बॉक्स बना हुआ है ये. अब बॉक्स कभी कोई थर्ड नंबर पे है, कभी फर्स्ट नंबर पे है. इन दिस वे इट इज़ गिवन, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड कि क्या ये नंबर कॉन्टिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन में है. तो वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉन्टिन्यूड प्रपोर्शन, विच नंबर वी हैव टू रिपीट? डेफिनेटली 18. और बॉक्स में क्या लिखना है हमें? x, राइट. सो नाउ सी द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस. दिस इज 6, 18 and x. Because 3 numbers are in continued proportion, so we have to write as it is in every question. First ratio second proportion, third ratio 4, 6 ratio 18 proportion 18 ratio x. 18 को 2 times क्यों लिखा? Because we are talking about continued proportion. और continued का मतलब क्या होता है कि middle term repeats 2 times, right? So now because the number are in continued proportion, so product of mean should be equal to product of extreme. Mean क्या है? 18 multiply 18 and extreme is 6 multiply x. Because both are equal, हमने कहा कि proportion में equal होता है, and when we will simplify we are getting x is equal to 54. So I am giving 10 minutes to you. You can try to solve all the parts of worksheet 2, question number 1 to 4, and question 5 we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.